Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? Well, do you remember that quote in the Bible that says, "A cheerful heart uh, keeps you healthy"? Something along those lines, you know. And that really sounds true. If you're cheerful, maintain laughter in your life, you will definitely stay healthy. You'll definitely keep your immune system strong. You'll start repelling all those things that burden you. That's why I always say a smile from the heart lingers. When you smile, smile from the bottom of your heart, because it is a burden lifting remedy, not only for you but for those who receive it. We have to start being people of cheering on others, because as the situations around us remain a bit challenging, any small thing that will bring back the joy is helpful. So keep a smile on your face as always, and remember that any small thing you do in the positive direction is actually helpful, not only for you but for all those who receive it. Life is good, life will be better, but we all have to participate. As always, it's Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.